In this video lecture, we're building our first ever project using Eclipse IDE, which we installed previously in this class. Okay, move your mouse to welcome and close this window that shows up here always, because this appears as a result of the fact that you install Eclipse newly as a beginner. So let's go ahead and close this and it goes off. Now you have your whole window to work with in this class. Okay, before we start, I'm going to take you step by step so that you can be able to understand everything we are doing, and this is how you run all your Java projects. First of all, move your mouse to File and click on File. Move your mouse to New. And you see another tab just right here. Move your mouse to Project and click on Project. Okay. Now you have all this bunch of files here. Move your mouse and click on Java Project. Go ahead and hit on Next. Now, when you are creating a Java project, as a beginner, we are used to writing first project, second project, third project. But as a professional, you will name your project according to what you are working on. If you are building a desktop application for a church, you can name it a church project or anything that will help you to remember this project in next years to come. I've seen a situation where people build lots of projects and at the end they don't know which project they are looking for. Therefore, I will advise you as a beginner, don't ever make the mistake of writing first project, second project, third projects, because you are going to get confused when you come back to look for a particular project and you don't know where it belongs to. Name your project according to project you are working on, because this is the first project we are working on, and we are about to create a Hello World project, which is what is needed as a beginner. Let's go ahead and name our project Hello World. This is called a camel keys, whereby the first letter is in lowercase and the second letter is in uppercase. You can see that my H is in lowercase and my W is in uppercase. It is called a camel keys. Now that you have done this, move your mouse below and go ahead and hit on Finish. It's going to create a path for you. Go ahead and hit on Remember My Decision. You know why this is coming up is because you are creating this the first time we installed everything newly. Okay. Go ahead and hit on No because you want to open a perspective now. Go ahead and click No. And this go over here and create a file called Hello World. Over here, you can see a tiny pointer. Go ahead and hit on that. And it gives you some other things that are associated with the folder or the file you just created. Go ahead and hit on Source. SRC means source. You left click on that and it gives you a new window or a new tab. Move your mouse and go ahead and select Package. I will advise you to leave the package name just the way it is. The same with the name of the project. Go ahead and hit on Finish. So now you've created a package, Hello World. This is going to be the package name that you appear when you're about to write this code, we are going to see all this step by step. So go ahead and left click again on this package you've just created and move your mouse to new. In Java programming, everything we are creating here is a class, so you must always have a class. Go ahead and hit on plus. Let a class name be hello. So I type in hello, and it's going to be a public class. It's not going to be a private. So go ahead and hit on finish. And you're going to see something new entirely. So now you can see that we've created a class and our package name is hello world and the public class is hello. So inside here, we are going to create a static void main and it's going to be public. I'm going to explain everything step by step. Let's go ahead and create public static void main, and inside here is going to have some parameters, string, go ahead and put component and close brace. So now you are going to pop out whatever you want to write. What do you want to display? System.out.println. Let's go ahead and write it. So we are about to display hello world. I'm going to say it. This is hello world. And now that you have done this, go ahead and move your mouse to run and hit on run. And this will ask you this. You can click on always save resource before launching so that this doesn't pop up again. And go ahead and hit OK. So down here, you can see this is hello world. You can go ahead and change anything again. Inside word reading, I can see welcome to Java programming. Go ahead and hit on run again. Welcome to Java programming. You can see it down here. Alright. So this is about creating hello world. This is the first project. I know you don't understand what most of this thing do, but as time goes on, you will understand it. For remember, in Java programming, you must always have a package and you always create a class. For you to be able to print out anything, you're going to use system.out.println. So now that you've created it, you don't need to freak out if you don't understand anything because we'll be creating lots of projects and we'll be explaining everything step by step to the end. I believe that before we get to the end of this class, that you really understand most of the things that are needed to become a good Java developer. So now that you've created your first ever program in Java, I am glad that you are welcome to Java programming. So if you have any question concerning this lecture, please use the question and answer section below, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.